prize money
about $60 send a baby a bit me to be and we are why yes you World Cup cancel up prize money 50% enti wa beji World Cup nko enya 50 million. The minimum crowd be wa qualify ko bia no say oje 1.1 preparatory fee na when yanka ho crowd so will be 9 million or so account sika. Nhyira Black Stars announce say as part of your preparation for the World Cup reach Yebebo Germany. I'm Nhyira Santuchum, the director of communications for the Ghana Football Association. And the Black Stars Adia Kotuja said they are looking for a second match. And during March next year, no, and yet Germany and a Black Stars air some preparatory game against match back akaho and Mentia Menyan said so much me conclude us how much now. Ya babo how much nimpo early and Sunday about Germany game no. That is no Shishaya Air Koso. Rich, there is fire on the mountain. Big fire on the mountain.
And coming because he did no Omotiawu. They didn't communicate now still now Mujai. 9 months.
Who did December we come?
This already this year. It dated back to March more.
Yes.
In Nhyira.
Yes. Because Nhyira is one person. It's a whole technical team. And the coaches no my assistants Nina. Obia or that Black Stars payroll so as a technical team member.
Nhyira.
Who did December we come 9 solid months in Nhyira. 9 months.
And there's a reason is a
and now 18th December.
Yeah.
Me sure say every company be and say December you can them.
Sure.
Inti by ne kosi or China
a chakra Monday.
Yes, on sabe count second pay.
Yeah.
Inti we will be right to add December to it. Rich, what the December we are ye woman you can
9 months they be on power.
9 good months. The technical team of the Black Stars in Nhyira. So you see, your expectations about say omumbo muhumodin bia na yanya de wo World Cup. Enra sikaya e bai rich ye benya muchafa o. At least ye benya be almost 10 million.
10.5.
Yes.
Yeah. So we are 9 and now we are 1.5.
Exactly.
Preparation.
Nti see nya 10.5 million. Na omo mo ye adwuma ne ma team no. 9 months into Omoka. You see, this is a conversation for Ghanaians to have. Especially those of us who are actually not say bibia okay. Unse tedum kumobi say ukofa ekebia na say sports underpayment biaba employ you try Black Stars. And I'm just getting yakwa Black Stars. And to say obiti said 9 months in a Black Star technical team into Omoka. What do you make of that news? And no man could rich. And we are preparing for the World Cup too. And these coaches in there prepare. But the real job coaches not. The tactics, the monitoring of players, how we can get the best out of this World Cup. And it depends on almost sound mind, how much a competent job.
9 months they boom dodo.
And can you trimpo?
It's 9 months.
Rich, you
and the whole year.
Rich. House of folk the about 3
months. And no cross in here.
Yes.
3 months.
How will you go 3 months without your pay? But Rich,
and Nipa come as me. Most of them now are breadwinners at the mom family.
Of course.
The 9 months going on the salary, no. Why they feeding the family?
Also, again, Rich. To be a woody sound come away. Ayana create a lot of for emotions. You understand why? Omo no omo yes ebikura otomokra no they didn't really show they wanted a Ghanaian job. And the identity they are mom. It's like as on common the Ghana adwuma from and say they are mom rich. we are talking about someone who was working for Dortmund. And me sure say in his whole career, from Nordjylland, money Dortmund, money this Bundesliga club here, last time Omoko revealed Korea said on this song Juma Away Refi club in very, very famous. I think one of those common clubs ever Germany. Rich, what the point I want to make is say, me sure say Phoebe say Otto, Phoebe say Desmond Affair. John Pence they say he's more of a local flavor, so probably he understands when salary delays in the But at that top level,
I do want Dortmund.
Affair has work at Anderlecht money.
But so many idea too.
What you say? In terms of job security, in terms of say Najuma or the conditions of service almost perfect. They've enjoyed that. Now they come to Black Stars. Take it as a full-time job. Okay, time out to a part-time. Say there be Black Stars a full-time. Probably these were the things he was thinking about.
Because a part-timer. And get your daughter the number. We my career job.
You get it.
But we do a full-time. Salary in so much.
Me, I just want to mess up me say that be a Ghana for can be fair to the conversation. Say the technical team of the Black Stars. Say all the December we are a woman can are on 9 months salary arrears.
I know sure say a Bruni and Kebedu 9 months.
So come here, bro.
But imagine say be a kofa a Jose Mourinho be and an assistant. Now say 9 months into a moka.
You ever say Ghana Oka Brunia coach back Ghana for bomb.
Yes,
I want to make a coach.
But I am conform
back Ghana for bomb say one day on you to make coach Ghana.
When I have it.
When I have it of Saudi Arabia. So the question you are asking say Senke or no one a coach. You bet me any 9 months are very
because I say so hard dinner. It drew yen for an etadium. It be a quasiapia. Sika kono. Siki crowd the minimum say by now much.
Oh yes, they've settled it. The last time, okay, I said the last time be Minister Nebe Tormont said they've released arrears B to Otomu. Which Sakasan Wama
and number 12. Too much. It's any idea no. Into Mukai, Adenja.
That is the problem.
Because of Munkasa. Go Brunion, Sanimo company. 9 months.
And you're already heading to the house. Say, oh, yeah, Jumama 9 months. And how will he be able to survive and work? Which let's add this.
There's auto head and Udidi. On your baby.
I guess you're already
because Ayala Mituana, Namas will jam a car. Man, never did he. 3 months coming to me.
You can't survive. Oh, the old caterama, or be moon to survive 1 month. Rich, a bimo or Majumo, a year.
Hand to mouth. Or JDD.
Yes. Apart from that, before for be anyhow. And it's only 2-3 months. And as I always say, probably all to move from a background have enough. And Abia 9 months here, so Abia auto there about 1 month to cry. He more do enough to take care of him for some time. But no it is not good. Any good a situation. And say you be fair as Ghanaians. Send ya in some say bani edim koma. Ye timidi admit to say so no more way can affect performance. Rich, will Ghanaians allow an excuse if we go to the World Cup and we don't do all under the circumstances? Manu susumunaso. Si yako World Cup na ya nyade ni a film group stage. Will any Ghanaian come back and say, na coach what do you expect them to do? Who say about Black Stars? We are not liberal with Black Stars discussion. Say they are liberal with any other discussion. But that is the situation.
Obi question you say. So what happens to all the sponsorships that goes to the Black Stars? I don't get it now. How do you not pay someone in full-time job, no salary for 9 months.
Rich, you see, maybe Henry Asantuchumu will provide answers to questions about Black Stars sponsorship and what they do with the money. Me, I'm here, Ubusa, me, I will not know. Unless me kubusa. Because maybe in Tony, I'm not a PR for the Ghana Football Association and I say BB. But what we are discussing in say in abiding in trust with the FE. Adia tumu amaya ha enkofobi to manage your national team no as technical team members. Amaya no ma sign contract say busumi bia ye betu omuka say 9 months in here ye ntia. Na Rich enye no nko a unim say the qualification to the World Cup and also who bonuses and my
technical team,
the whole team.
Hey, any technical team, omu bro.
Who say, Mamma Mounchiramu, Casana be out and conform Tiasia. And as some way say, Obi Oti should be a come and not Tiasia. Say about World Cup qualifiers, Rich. The agreement with the team no and they say, you win every game, $10,000. Now so no, you only $5,000. The rest of the 5,000 for every game be a win biano. Rich, a holding. You holding. The only time those monies are released, a qualification for the World Cup. And to say, yeah, qualification there, who win game the 5,000 and no pennies kawanya. But say your qualification there.
Yeah, the extra 5,000.
Yeah, now 5,000. No. Yeah, accumulated 5,000 now. As a qualification bonus, na yeah, the ama team no. Now, minim said the culture of the Black Stars and say, Sikebia players nijibiano. The technical team takes times 2. And say 5,000 accumulated. The technical team will be 10,000 accumulated. And see you have 5,000 more after winning the game as winning bonus. You bet you almost 10,000. Rich, sir, qualification bonuses now. Because by virtue say you qualify, I will say you accumulate. Now you demand almost more across the face of the qualifiers, you know. And also so a scenarios. YNTI.
Obi bisa say $10.5 million now FIFA some the man no. Abana. Nyamai.
Okay, yet.
I was thinking about
FIFA TV also crap it.
FIFA ntia kanona. I above for me mudia. Yeah, they are Ghana.
But you see, Rich, it's
Sadu.
I hope say and I tell you me boy.
Sure.
Ebia if you chineko no. Send ye titi o in some church you no. We will place a call to the ministry. Na ebia nchirimu bi wo ho a. Na yeti o mo so. Minim se obi wo a wo tie because Ayala yenchi obi ka 9 months nchirimu bɛyi na ebeto asomu di ama. But at least you must hear them out. Ebia na there is something beyond their control. And now whatever it is I excuse in tia. Yentua a Black Star technical team ka 9 months. Na ye be a whole team nika for World Cup of standing bonuses.
By explanation, you are me sure senka by now. Technical team no. Communum.
Which what we are doing now is to give the news said Yomuka. Whether it
doesn't make sense.
It doesn't change the fact that you
don't say Nina intimate to be more. In Jan Kaka 9 months no. Would any 3 floor? Yan can chom so. The next we never ban ever said you have 3. The next we are complete no. But I also 9 months a day explanation be the money banner.
Maybe a schedule.
How? Sikenyo. Oh, Debbie, and then also them me. I
don't know when you do.
Me sure says Kenyo.
You see, Rich. Me do some barbecue and go for bufu. 9 months in the MPC at Chomuka.
obi agye
9 months ni every government institution
prime minister agye ne de
ni CEO ni BBS say etu omuka
sure say minister bab ayi office yes says can do an can ni an india sure say minister ne de 9 months agye the explanation be na o de ma no me fa we nwie na me ntwa me mra sisi ayi Abranti was a friend of Benson Emmanuel or Germany. Also, I was any true taps and nanka which are roll over the man.
Sir. Oh, okay. It's number Benny, the man. Fatulo, number.
Tilo, Miss Orena, a sort in a also roll over Nibina. Germany cried in Ghana.
Also, Germany.
Also, Germany. Also, roll over Nibi.
A bit trauma, and your problem.
Okay. I'm sure in John.
By the time I've been a number.
Okay. In John.